The kitchen is the heart and soul of every home. From cooking delicious meals to sharing heartwarming conversations, a lot happens here. A pivotal element of this magical place? The kitchen cabinets. They hold your cherished dishes, store secret ingredients, and play a major role in your kitchen's aesthetics. But when they start looking weary, that age-old question pops up: should you refinish or replace them? You should refinish your kitchen cabinets when they show wear but have a solid structure, and replace them if they're damaged, dysfunctional, or outdated in design. Let's delve into this timeless secret and find deeper answers for your culinary haven. It's no secret that the kitchen is often a home's focal point. Those beautiful cabinets have likely been silent observers of countless memories. But as time wears on, even the most robust cabinets can start to show their age. How do you decide between refinishing and replacing them? Keep reading to unravel the mystery. It's only human to grow attached to our surroundings, especially a space as intimate as a kitchen. Think about it: how many family gatherings, late-night snacks, or impromptu dance sessions have those cabinets witnessed? Their value might just be beyond monetary. Before diving headfirst into any project, take a hard look at your budget. Refinishing is typically the more wallet-friendly option, but sometimes a replacement can be an investment in the long run. Cabinet refinishing, often seen as a middle ground between simply repainting and a full-blown replacement, has become a popular choice for many homeowners. If you found yourself eyeing those time-worn kitchen cabinets and considering a makeover, here's everything you need to understand about the refinishing process. At its core, cabinet refinishing is about giving your existing cabinets a fresh, rejuvenated look without replacing the actual cabinet boxes. It primarily involves removing the old finish, preparing the surface, and then applying a new stain or paint. Before you dive into refinishing, it's crucial to assess the current state of your cabinets. Check for any signs of damage or areas that might need repairs. Years of cooking and regular use can lead to a buildup of grease, dirt, and grime. A thorough cleaning ensures the new finish adheres well. This step is vital to remove the old finish and create a smooth surface. Sanding ensures that the new paint or stain adheres uniformly. Especially if you're moving from a darker to a lighter shade, a primer helps in achieving an even and vibrant color. Depending on your desired look, you can either paint or stain the cabinets. While painting offers a wide range of colors and finishes, staining can highlight the wood's natural grain. A protective sealant or topcoat shields your cabinets from daily wear and tear, ensuring longevity. Refinishing can be significantly cheaper than a full replacement or even refacing. It's a budget-friendly way to get a new look. From bold hues to understated stains, you have a plethora of choices to achieve the desired look. By not replacing the cabinets, you're reducing waste and making an eco-friendly choice. Refinishing is typically faster than replacing. You can get a brand new look within days, not weeks. Refinishing is an excellent option when the cabinets are structurally sound and free from significant damage. You're happy with your kitchen's current layout. You desire a change in aesthetics without the hassle and expense of a complete remodel. While some homeowners opt for a DIY approach, hiring professionals can ensure a smoother process and a finish that lasts. They bring expertise, the right tools, and an understanding of materials that can make a world of difference in the outcome. Replacing means going out with the old and in with the new. This process involves removing the old cabinets and installing brand new ones. Structural damage, beyond any hope of repair. Modern upgrades, want those soft close hinges or under cabinet lighting? Complete redesign, dreaming of a whole new layout? Sure, refinishing might save you a buck today. But will you need to replace them in a few short years anyway? Evaluate the longevity of each option and how it fits into your future home plans. It's a mix of introspection and practicality. Consider your budget, the emotional value of your cabinets, and the desired outcome. And always remember to consult with a professional. Regardless of your choice, proper care ensures longevity. Regular cleaning, avoiding excess moisture, and timely minor repairs can keep those cabinets looking spick and span.